2023 Ford Escape ST Line Hybrid with only 14,000 miles. Hi everyone, this is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I'm back with another uncut, unedited, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Only 14,000 miles on this hybrid. It's front-wheel drive. That means you're going to get like 47 miles to the gallon according to the government. Nice options. It's got the cloth leather combination, power driver seat, got the big screen with navigation, Android and Apple phone hookups, alloy wheels. Just really a nice crossover here. Just love the look of these. I buy every one that I can find because they're just so sporty looking compared to your regular Escape. Yet they do amazing mileage. It does come with the balance of factory warranty. You can upgrade that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved. AutoramaAuto.com. AutoramaAuto.com. Get pre-approved there. And we can save you time and money. And also, this is where you find out we're not like all the other dealers. My salespeople are not paid on profits. It doesn't sound like a big thing, like how else would they be paid? But most dealers pay their salespeople on profits, and because of that, that's why it takes 6 hours to buy a vehicle. Because the finance guy is trying to pad his paycheck. The sales guys are trying to pad their paycheck. That's why you're sitting there for 3 hours wheeling and dealing over $500. Not us. Here we make it fast and simple. My salespeople are paid on volume. They're not paid on what we make or what we lose on this vehicle. They are paid on getting the vehicle sold. So we do things like get you pre-approved. We tell you your rate before you come in. We tell you your payment before you come in. If you're credit challenged, no credit, great credit, or excuse me, if you're credit challenged, no credit, bad credit, starting out, starting over. We do have lenders that will take a look at you. Generally, you have to have about 20% down to buy a vehicle when you're in that situation. But if you got 20% down, we got lenders that we can apply with and see what they say. We have really good luck doing it. If you got good credit, great credit, we're going to save you time and money. We're generally going to be able to beat your own bank. So again, apply. We'll tell you before you come in. We're going to have all this sorted out before you even walk in the door. Then you come in, you test drive it, you like it, you love it, you want to leave with it, 15 minutes. Today we had some customers come in from Hebron. They had everything pre-approved. They were not here 20 minutes. Cars drove, bought, gone. Paperwork done. We have free financing, free delivery region-wide. If you live between Richardson, Jamestown and Billings on I-94, you're in the zone there, up to Minot, all the way down to Mobridge, along I-90 from the Black Hills all the way to Billings, from Black Hills to Williston, along 85 corridor, basically southwest North Dakota, parts of Wyoming, Montana, South Dakota. We got free delivery on this vehicle in that region. We have the fast financing. Now let's talk about price. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. Price you see is the price you pay. Love that combination with the red stitching. Big screen there. See, drive away. We don't have hidden fees. We do not have a dealer documentation fee. Because of that, we advertise real rock bottom prices on the website there. You're welcome to make an offer. Worst we can say is no. But again, we don't sit there and play the back and forth game. We don't have hidden fees, so I know we're not going to be the lowest priced vehicle out there that's like this. Because so many dealers are advertising their vehicles at or below cost, and then when you get there, they hit you with the surprise fees. That's illegal. It needs to be disclosed. They're not supposed to do that, but I know lots of dealers are doing it. They're doing it in Billings. They're doing it in Bismarck. They're doing it in Fargo, Minot, you name it. You got to nationally. It's not just, it's a national deal. So we don't do that. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away, excluding sales tax and license if it applies to you. Again, we do not have a doc fee. We do not have hidden fees. Transparent, fast. So let's recap. 2023 Ford Escape ST Line Hybrid 2.5 liter, 14,000 miles, front-wheel drive, Government says 47 miles to the gallon combined. Again, 14,000 miles, power seat, big screen, Android, Apple, push button start, navigation, leather cloth combo. One owner, clear Carfax, factory warranty. Salespeople are not paid on profits. Fast financing, good credit, great credit, bad credit, no credit. We got options. Free delivery. Price you see is a price you pay, drive away. I call all that combined the Autorama advantage. Come and join us, folks.